Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of lymph nodes for histology slide and fractal. There are 6 identification points of lymph node. Number 1, connective tissue capsule is present. Connective tissue capsule is present. Number 2, primary nodules without germinal center. And number 3, secondary nodules with germinal center. And number 4, subcapsular sinuses is present. And number 5th, cortex and medulla is present. And number 6, lymph nodules are only situated in the cortex and have no central arterioles. These are the 6 identification points of lymph nodes for histology, practical and slide. I already upload the detailed slide explanation video of lymph node on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. Now I will upload these identification points also. On my YouTube channel you can find general histology, special histology, detailed slide explanation video, and each slide identification points for slide and practical. If you like my videos, press the like button and share these videos with your friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open the all notification for receiving each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.